Welcome to our channel. Fizzy juices can be a refreshing and healthy addition to your weight loss journey if you make them with the right ingredients. Here's a simple recipe for a low-calorie fizzy weight loss juice. Wait! Before starting the weight loss video, I introduce you with Icaria Lean Belly Smoothies, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 cup of sparkling water or seltzer, unsweetened a half cup, of freshly squeezed lemon juice a half cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger optional, 1-2 tablespoons of honey or a natural sweetener, just to taste cubes. I have streaming. Instruction: 1. Prepare the citrus juice. Squeeze fresh lemon and lime juice to get 1.5 cup of each. You can use a juicer or simply squeeze them by hand. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and can boost metabolism. You add ginger action. Grate about a teaspoon of fresh ginger and add it to the citrus juice. Ginger can aid digestion and add a nice zing to your juice. Adjust the amount to your taste. 3. Sweeten, if desired. While this juice is meant to be low in calories, you can add 1-2 tablespoons of honey or a natural sweetener like stevia or erythritol if you want a sweeter taste. Keep in mind that the natural tartness of the citrus fruits can be quite refreshing on its own. 4. Combine the ingredients. In a large glass or pitcher, mix the citrus juice with or without ginger and your chosen sweetener until well combined. 5. Add sparkling water. Pour 1 cup of sparkling water or seltzer into the citrus mixture. You can adjust the amount of sparkling water to your taste, adding more if you prefer a milder fizz or less if you want it stronger. 6. Stir gently. Use a long spoon or stirrer to gently mix the juice and sparkling water without disturbing the carbonation too much. 7. Serve with ice. If you like your fizzy juice extra cold, add some ice cubes to your glass or pitcher. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn weight loss? Get Icaria Lean Belly Smoothies. Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful review, please keep this video and thumbs up, share, comments, and subscribe my channel.